Welcome to my gig. Kindly listen to what I can do for you. I am a social media manager. I can help your business with social media marketing. I am combining both sales and marketing experience to help you achieve the best results possible for your business. I will take the burden and stress of your social media management away by providing full-time management of your accounts. I will provide original, fresh, and targeted content to your exact requests. Then your social media manager will help you generate new business inquiries, boost your SEO performance, boost your whole digital entity. I will design around your specific platforms so it can be suitable for Instagram, TikToks, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. I will do keyword research and frequent posting to help you achieve outstanding results, and at the end of the month, I will provide you with a handy report to let you know the progress. I am entirely focused on you, the client, so please drop me a message to chat through your requirements.